Hi guys, good morning. I just got up. It's around 10:52 a.m. on Saturday. I have to purchase some groceries later today because I am out of breakfast food and milk for the coffee. But right now I'm going to hit the gym once I finished this. I am going to work out for I guess half an hour, maybe some treadmill and cycling, and then I think I'm going to go swim. Depends on how sunny it is outside because my swimming is on terrace. Swimming pool is on terrace. Trying to figure out how treadmill is working, and apparently it's not working, or I just cannot start it. I think I'll do my lunges, squats I guess, and hip thrust for legs because I don't know anything that is working. I'm not used to this gym. Oh, I can do cycling by the way. Okay, it's working.
Purchase your tracks today.
Tomorrow I have to work, so I think this much workout is more than enough because if I push myself a little more, I think my leg is going to hurt tomorrow when I work. So I think I'm going to go for some swim.
Yes, on the beat. Yes, on the beat.
Hi guys, so I've been swimming for a while. It's so hot. But look at the pool. It's very good. It's fun times. Oh, it's so cool. slept for like 2 hours or three. I'm just going out to go for shopping for some grocery. Let's go. Where is body spray? I must say it's a lovely day. So I'm making some chips for dinner and some chicken. I think I'm gonna cook rice later, but I'm watching Friends. And here are all my groceries, which I still have to put away the half of it. Okay, so dinner is done right now. I am going to clean the dishes and put my camera on charging because I've been filming like throughout the day and there's no charging done yet. So I'll do that, and I think I'm gonna edit.
Yes, on the beat.
Oh my god, the lighting over here is so bad. It's just that I on one tube light. But the chicken is really good. The chips is really good. Now I'm going to just pray Isha and then I will have my dinner. I did had my coffee, which was really good. I swear, best coffee. And I tried it with oat milk and god, it was good. So I'll update you guys in a bit, I guess. So now I'm going to change into my night dress, which is just going to be this pink suit, which I really like. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to edit a while and watch some Netflix and go to bed. I really hope that you guys enjoyed a day in my life in Dubai. I really love you guys so much. Stay connected with me. I will probably see you guys in my next video. Till that time, bye.